ID form anatomical pads are suitable for people with moderate to heavy incontinence. They're available in different lengths and absorptions. These pads work best when combined with a support slip or ID care fixation pants. This helps keep the protection properly in place. To ensure patient comfort and safety, it is important that this product is positioned correctly. We recommend that the support pants are initially placed on the patient. By this, we mean putting their feet through the leg holes in a seated position to avoid any risk of falling. The patient can then stand up with your support if necessary. Start by pulling the support pants up to mid-thigh height. This will enable the protection to stay in place and also permits any adjustments you might need to make. Unfold the product and shape into a channel across the entire length. This allows the anti-leak barriers to be activated and gives the desired shape for an effective application of the product. Shape the product into a channel across the entire length. Gently pull the product by holding it at each end. Slide the protection between the patient's legs, keeping it folded lengthwise. Adjust the front-rear distribution to balance the pad position according to the urination area. Unfold the product and then flatten it across the patient's buttocks, fan out, and place the elastics under the gluteal folds. This will ensure the patient's comfort and security against leaks. Make sure the product is centered in line with the spine, using the wetness indicator lines as a guide. Roll up the supporting pants so they are covering the patient's buttocks. Then you can sit the patient down and adjust the front protection into position. Adjust the front of the protection by flattening it without pulling. Make sure that the skin from the inner thigh is outside the protection to avoid any risk of leakage or discomfort to the patient when securing the position. If necessary, adjust the pants at the thighs by pulling it down slightly. This will ensure optimum comfort for the patient. For a woman, please adjust the top of the pad so that it covers the pubic bone. And for a man, it may be necessary to put the protection higher than the pubic bone to limit any risk of leakage at the time of urination.